What we are learning right now is that Sameer Wankhede will continue to be the investigating officer in the cruise drug bust case until any evidence is found against him. This is a quote that Republic has been able to pick up from Gyaneshwar Singh from the NCB right now, who says that the probe will continue, but along with that, Sameer Wankhede will continue to probe the entire case. Do remember, over the last few days, you've seen a lot of political mudslinging. In particular, Sameer Wankhede and his family members have also been attacked incessantly by a few netas, particularly in the state of Maharashtra. The agency is standing right with him, and they say that Sameer Wankhede will continue to be the investigating officer in the cruise drug bust case until any evidence is found against him. Our colleague Priyanka tracking that story, and she joins us live right now. Priyanka, this is what we've heard from Gyaneshwar Singh of the NCB. Is this an on-camera reaction, or this is through sources?
Well, what we have gotten to know is that Sameer Wankhede will be continuing with the investigation as well in the drug bust case as it had been going on as well. While we know that the vigilance team had come down from Delhi, a 5-member team headed by Gyaneshwar Singh, we're being given to understand, was supposed to address the media as well. Will be perhaps an official word that we will also get from him after Sameer Wankhede had been called to Bandra, where in fact he had given his statement. Even in the morning, we had seen right here at the NCP office where we're standing. In fact, this is where the statement was also being recorded, is what Gyaneshwar Singh had also stated. After that, of course, Sameer Wankhede had left with the other officers as well, where he had then again been presented before the vigilance team, and his statement had been recorded with respect to the allegations that were raised against him in the affidavit that was made public by an independent witness, Prabhakar Sale, in that affidavit where he had claimed that Sameer Wankhede, allegations of extortion, in fact, had been made against Sameer Wankhede, and also about some meetings that had taken place on the night of October 2nd, when the drug bust case had even started from on board of the cruise ship as well. And today what we get to know is that the NCB, of course, the vigilance team has come here, and they will be recording statements of other witnesses as well. That includes Prabhakar Sale, Pooja Dadlani and others as well. But these are the main witnesses that will also be questioned about these allegations that have been leveled against the NCB, against Sameer Wankhede in this affidavit that had been filed and notarized by Prabhakar Sale. It's important to mention, though, that this affidavit has not been filed before any court of law, and it is the Narcotics Control Bureau that has time and time again appealed to the court, first in the Sessions Court, that they had appealed that this be taken on record, and to also question the integrity of the affidavit, because it has not been shared in the court of law but only been shared on social media as well. And even in the bail plea reply by the Narcotics Control Bureau in the Aryan Khan bail hearing, they have mentioned this affidavit and the independent witnesses' allegations as well. But what we do get to know right now is that the vigilance team here, a 5-member team that is already in Mumbai, and even today when they had landed, right after that, Sameer Wankhede's statement has been taken. He was in fact questioned for over 4 hours, is what we've been given to understand, his statements. And in fact, he was also asked about these allegations that are leveled against him, about what actually had happened on the night of October 2nd. And now later on, of course, we will see other witnesses also questioned by the vigilance team itself.
Absolutely. Priyanka, I think that's a big story that you're breaking on top of this edition of the news. I thank you right now, but, keeping our focus on the story and the many angles, the many characters that you see in the entire story right now,